In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a table in a rich text module in HubSpot. This process is pretty straightforward and incredibly useful if you're looking to add structured data or organize your content neatly on your website pages. So let's get started and walk you through the entire process step by step. First, we need to navigate to the marketing email section in HubSpot. This is where we begin our journey in integrating that table into a rich text module. After opening up HubSpot, you'll want to locate the Marketing Email tab. It's crucial because this is the hub where we manage various content elements. Upon accessing this section, you will easily find your way around as it's designed to keep the user experience smooth and intuitive. Now, once you're in the Marketing Email section, your next move is to click on the Content tab. The content area is particularly important because it houses all sorts of engagement tools, allowing you to design and deploy content creatively and efficiently. It's your digital workshop for crafting engaging email campaigns and website pages alike. After clicking Content, the path forward leads you to select Website Pages. This selection is vital because it focuses our efforts on the specific area where we'll be embedding our table. Make sure you're in this section as it manages all your web pages, giving us a centralized spot to work with. Once there, you should see the option to click on Home. This step is needed because it indicates the section of your website where changes will be visibly applied. Think of it as your gateway to customization. You'll need to click through to maneuver into the specific page areas you want to edit. With the Home section open, let's proceed to click on ADD. This is a straightforward step, but crucial. It essentially prepares the system to incorporate a new module, which will eventually house our table. Visually, this step sets the stage for what's to come, prompting HubSpot to allocate a space for us to fill in with new content. Next, we'll click on the Text option. This step helps us prepare the groundwork for inserting our table within a text-based module. The Text module serves as a blank canvas where the rich text functionalities shine, including the ability to insert and manage tables. In this text area, you'll now want to select Rich Text. Selecting rich text is key to unlocking various text editing features, including inserting tables. This versatile module gives us the rich text editor tools, enabling you to effortlessly organize content, embed links, and most importantly for us today, incorporate tables. And there you go. By this stage, you're ready to insert tables and structure content in a way that's visually appealing and functional. I hope this step-by-step guide has been helpful, providing you with all the essentials to get your rich text modules table-ready in HubSpot. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.